Yo, welcome back to computer science. I'm going to jump back into another programming project today. Before I do, let's do a quick recall of lecture 7 now that we're done with that. Basically, it was about branching decision trees, control structures, if, elif, or else if, and else, and equality operators, inequality operators, and Boolean data type. So that's a good recall. I'm going to jump back into doing another project today, and after that, I'll figure out what to do next. So, talk to you in a bit. Alright, guys, so I finished a project where we were basically using floor division and modulus to take different parts of a number in and out, like chopping parts off, pulling out middles of numbers, etc. And then we did this little optional, because I went to go do some problems from class, but there were no problems. They were just like the code that you're supposed to, that were the answers. So it's like, what's the point? I don't know what the question is. So I didn't think it was worth that much time to spend. Instead, I just started doing these optional projects and lessons from the courses that I'd skipped over previously in order to do the stuff that was due. So this first one was basically just ASCII art. So it was kind of fun, I guess. This one we just had to copy the little tree tree made of stars, and the little cat face. And then basically it said to make our own, or make your own. So I made this. I didn't want to spend too much time. This is totally something in the past that I would spend way too much time doing. When they say get creative, so I didn't. I just made $$ out of $., just to be done quickly. I thought it turned out pretty good though. I think there was some way to do this where I could highlight the whole thing and it really looked good, but anyway. That's it for right now. I'll be back for more computer science later today, so see you in a bit. Alright, welcome back to computer science. I'm wrapping out the day with this. Man. What am I doing? Oh, shoot. We finished lecture 7 the other day. Today we were doing MSP, some small little projects, as well as an optional ASCII art. Let's just jump back in. I'll figure some stuff to do. So be back in a little bit. All right, ended up just doing a bunch of little programming projects. I made a salary calculator. I did like some just printing, output statements. Working on a bigger project that includes a lot of it's like this cooking recipe thing so far. So it's like it gets how many of each ingredient you have and how much, basically it asks like how much of the ingredients are there, and then it says how many servings does this make, and then next we're going to say how many servings do you desire or do you want, and then it's going to take the information it got from, if you had 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar and this makes 5 servings, well then it's going to be like, well, if you want 10 servings, right, you're going to need 20 cups of water, 20 cups of sugar. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll be back into not quite, we'll have another day to do more optional stuff, but I've got class tomorrow, so that's it anyway for right now. I'll talk to you tomorrow. See ya.